So the heart. They always go together, the heart and the small thing, the liver and gallbladder, the lung and the large intestine. They always go one pair. Okay? The most important part, as I mentioned many times, you have to remember when you can picture your heart, you get the right country code. When you can smile into your heart, you get the city code right. And when you feel the good emotional and the sound, you get the number right. So you definitely get in touch with it, okay? So the whole way of the Tao practice is go get in touch with your own organs because they store the soul and your spirit. Is the most important thing in our life, okay? And that is very important to get in touch with yourself. That's why the Tao practice is different because you have to really get in touch with your own self. It's very different from that. Just everything is out, everything in your mind is out, and you forget yourself. Okay, so the heart. Picture and smile to your heart. Get in touch with your heart, and look deep inside there. Any hatred, any impatience, any hastiness, or anything that affecting you, anything that intimidates you. Anything that make your high blood pressure, anything that make your heart beat faster. All this going to make you a very bad health. So, looking left and right. Yeah, emphasize on the right side. Okay. So inhale, raise your hand up, interact your arm, and press a little bit hard, tighten on your left side and lean to the right. And the sound, whole sound. And coming down, smile to your heart. Delete the file name in your brain and feel so deep into your heart and feel that you know you have a power overcome the emotional. Not the emotional running you. Not the emotional are running you. And inhale again, raise your hand up, interact your arm, turn, press harder on your left hand side and look up. And inhale, and to your heart. Radiate out the red light. Feel the red bright. Feel your heart grow with bright red light. And from the heart, started to shining and radiate out to your body. A red aura, very powerful, go against all the bacteria and virus and germ. Feel your aura. Lung, white aura, out. Kidney, blue aura, out. Liver, green aura going out. And the heart, red aura. And just smile around you and feel a very strong aura. And just listen and feel. If any bacteria hit you, it bow back. It's just exactly like all the space story. They can generate our aura protecting the spaceship. Okay? It's the same. We have the aura. Now,